Honestly, Sakshi, what we are doing is not even a drop of what you are doing is for the country, for the nation. We are greatly thankful for that. And as a corporate, as an organization, we feel very humbled that we got this opportunity to be part of this tribe. And I strongly believe, Sakshi ji, the way like para athletes and organization all are coming up, we see a big opportunity means, and it is not only limited to one particular sector, one particular area, but how do we encourage every child in whatever capacity they have, how do they excel, and that is the opportunity which we are seeing over here. And Sakshi is becoming Iron Lady, a role model for all of them. That everyone is special, everyone is having something unique, some abilities in which they can bring that difference. When we look at our last few years of efforts, we had been taking some steps. Like in our ITIs, we started a program for girls. We want them to come forward. We want them to take those education and be there on the shop floor along with all the male colleagues. We had been able to obtain permission for 3 shift working for female employees. We had been also working on football. We had been keeping our team also there in the football, and for last 8 years we had been sponsoring the women's football league. We had been able to successfully complete our program of providing scholarship to the kids around our working premises, our plants, our mines. And in last year, we did some 170 scholarships. We want to expand that particular part, and we want dedicated to again villages and peripheries around our operations, that we do some program where not only on the education side we do much more, not only limited to sports. We do the way we had been doing on the football academy, and some areas where we can partner, but also on creating many more Lakpati Didis. So that is something which one program we aggressively want to get into, and we need support of each one of you. Means in next 3 years, that is around 1,000 days, we want 1,000 Lakpati ladies to come from the nearby villages of our operations, and whatever support will be needed, we are more than keen, more than excited to provide that. And we want Sakshi Kale and many more Sakshi Kales to come up and move together with us to, of course, we cannot run as fast as you run, but run in a much faster pace. So thank you very much for being over here, and looking forward to best of luck. We are confident that you will do very well and bring much more laurels to the Goa and to the entire country.
मैं सबसे पहले वेदांता को जो एक अप्रोच आपने दिखाया साक्षी को सपोर्ट करने के लिए, उसके लिए धन्यवाद कहता हूँ। और मैं इतना ही कह सकता हूँ कि जैसे कि सेजा फुटबॉल एकेडमी से बहुत पहले से, जब ब्रह्मानंद जी वहाँ पे थे तो बहुत पहले से फुटबॉल एकेडमी के बारे में जानता हूँ। तो वैसे ही पैरा स्पोर्ट्स को भी आप आगे सपोर्ट करें। ज़्यादातर क्या होता है कि हर पैरा एथलीट को जो फैसिलिटीज़ चाहिए वो अपने पास नहीं मिलती, अपने यहाँ अवेलेबल नहीं होती है। और दूसरा जो फाइनेंशियल कंस्टेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं, इसलिए खिलाड़ी आगे नहीं आते। तो जो भी बेसिक उनकी फैसिलिटीज़ जो उनकी चाहिए वो आप डायरेक्टली उनको ही सपोर्ट कर सकते तो बेहतर हो सकता है, आगे भी पैरा एथलीट आगे आ जाएगी। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सभी को।
Vedanta has taken the responsibility, I can say, to motivate my student, my child, physically disabled student, and she is really talented. Nothing can stop her, I can say. The dedication that she has, tremendous, and she also does well in academics also. So there is nothing like she can be, you can say, she is really going to keep the name high of the industry as well as of Goa, and I think he wanted to go for international now, and your support for that. Yeah, I have also told director also to give her from our side also whatever we can give for her. Certainly, I said reachable the fast because her dates are moving very fast. So that once an opportunity given, she will fly off. But once that time is going off, and that time Vedanta has picked up. So heads up to you, sir, for taking such a good decision, which is nearby college is our government college, Khandola. Otherwise, also academically, you are boosting our students like anything. And this is a major step of yours, visionary, I can say, for such many more Sakshis. It will build, they require positive help. You have given it up, and the lesson will be taken up by many other students in and around the vicinity of your. So I wish this from my side also for her best in performance. She's leaving Delhi tomorrow perhaps. So wishes for her, and do best, and keep Goa shining. And thanks a lot, sir. God will really help you all for such a philanthropic help that you are taking, and especially for women talents. So that is a need of an hour, sir. Thank you. God bless you. Studies in software technology. Yeah.
You tell about your hardship, what you want to pass a message to the other students. You can speak anything what you want.
काय ना मग अशें तू एक सर्वाच्या स्पोर्ट्सान तुमच्या सपोर्टाचो वेदांता कंपनी खूप सपोर्ट केला. थँक्यू सो मच वेदांता कंपनी. थँक्यू सो मच प्रिन्सिपल मॅडम.
And thank you so much your parents also.
Thank you
They are
so
the
much,
most
parents.
important pillars.
थँक्यू सो मच माझे असोसिएशन माझे प्रेसिडेंट पण आहेत.
Okay, what your future aspirations? आगे का क्या प्लान है?
काली केले का
Yeah.
स्पोर्ट्स मेरा करियर है. मुझे जो कुछ में होएगा वो स्पोर्ट्स में करेगा.
तुमकां आनी कितें सपोर्ट बी जाय लायक वॉट यू वांट टू
ताका कोच जाय, सर.
म्हाका एक
Like a
पर्सनल
coach
कोच
जाय.
जाय.
Which is physically disabled. You can understand. Our coach cannot.
एक पर्सनल कोच आसलें जाल्यार म्हाका बरें पडटलें की प्रॅक्टीस करपाक आनी सगळें म्हाजें जावपाक बी फुडें नॅशनलाक.
We have coach. We have coach.
Government having a coach.
अच्छा.
So, but
Personal coaching is
yeah,
not.
personal
Personal
coaching is
coaching
not.
is not there.
Yeah.
But
And
such coaches are available. Meaning, if at all someone is.
we were trying to keep her in Sai Center. We are looking for that. Because nowadays many for para-athletes, especially for para-athletes, there are many companies are there supporting these para-athletes, sponsoring through CRS funds and all of that. So we are looking for to keep her in Delhi or Bangalore, because staying in Goa she won't be able to go ahead. So for to go ahead, we require practice, hard practice, at least 4 to 5 hours a day. So in these Sai and others, they are having morning session, evening session. Plus they are taking care of diets and all others. So we are looking for that also. We are trying for that also.